You walk into a shop, you see something you want, maybe a shirt, maybe a phone, maybe just bread. You want to ask the price, but the words feel stuck in your throat. So instead, you point, you use your fingers, you smile and hope they understand. It works, but it does not feel good. Today, that changes. Today, you learn 6 sentences that will work in almost any shop, anywhere in the world. Hello, and welcome back to Soft English. If you have been here since video 1, thank you. You are building something real, one video at a time. Today is video 4, and today's topic is very practical: shopping. Asking for things, asking the price, being polite, saying no politely if something is too expensive. Let us begin. Slowly, as always. First, how to ask if a shop has something. Do you have? Do you have bread? Do you have this in blue? Do you have a smaller size? Simple. Do you have? And then the one thing you want. Try it now. Think of something you need today. Do you have? Good. Now a softer, more polite way to ask. Can I get? Can I get a coffee please? Can I get two of these? Can I get some help please? Notice the word please at the end. In English, please makes everything sound kinder. Use it often. It costs nothing, but it means a lot. Say it, can I get, please? Now, the most important shopping sentence. How much is this? How much is this? Say it slowly. Practice it. This sentence, you will use it everywhere: in markets, in shops, in taxis. Now listen to some answers. It is $5. It is 200 taka. It is 10 pounds. The price comes after it is. Simple structure, easy to understand. Sometimes the price feels too high. What do you say then? That is too expensive. You can say it kindly with a small smile. That is too expensive for me. Do you have something cheaper? This is not rude. This is honest. And honest, polite English. That is what we are learning here. Now you try. Imagine something costs too much. Say it, that is too expensive. And finally, when you decide to buy something, I will take this one. Simple, confident, I will take this one, please. And when you are finished, a small, kind sentence to close the moment. Thank you. Have a nice day. These 4 words, thank you, have a nice day, they are small, but they leave a warm feeling behind for you and for the person you spoke to. Language is not only about words, it is about how we make people feel. And kindness translates in every language. Now, let us put it all together. A full, small conversation. Listen first. Hello, do you have this in blue? How much is this? That is a little expensive for me. Do you have something cheaper? Okay, I will take this one. Thank you. Have a nice day. That is a real conversation. 6 sentences, and now they belong to you. Try saying one sentence right now, out loud. Any sentence from today. Well done. You are one shove, one conversation, one moment closer to confidence. Before you go, your homework. Write one sentence in the comments. Something you would say in a shop. Maybe, how much is this? Maybe, do you have this in red? Anything from today? I will read it and I will be proud of you for writing it. Next week, we go somewhere a little deeper. We talk about feelings, how to say you are happy, tired, or even sad in English. It is one of my favorite lessons. I think you will feel it too. Until then, thank you for being here. Thank you for trying every single day. I will see you next week. Take care of yourself and go slowly always.